Hi loves! Today I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair using my Tresemme shampoo in the shower. The first thing you want to do is detangle your hair because this will make the whole process a lot easier, especially when you get to the end, and this will also reduce hair loss. So start from the bottom and then work your way to the top. Now you want to make sure your hair is completely wet before you apply your shampoo. Go ahead and grab a handful of your shampoo and first off apply on the front of your hair and then apply a bit on the back of your hair and also apply a bit on the sides as well as the center of your hair, and make sure your scalp is fully covered in the shampoo before you go in and wash your hair using the tips of your fingers and not your nails. Spend a few minutes doing this, making sure you wash the entirety of your scalp before rinsing the shampoo off. I'm using a shampoo that contains sulfates in it, meaning that the sulfates strip my hair of its natural oils. As a result, I only use this shampoo twice before going onto a conditioner. Before I apply the conditioner in my hair, I make sure to wring off the excess water from my hair because you really don't need excess water in your hair when you are applying your conditioner. Now it's time to condition your hair. Go ahead and fill up your hands with a lot of conditioner because you need a lot more conditioner than you do shampoo. And you're going to apply that onto your hair pretty much the same way you applied the shampoo. This is to make sure your entire scalp is covered in that conditioner before you go into detangling. Once you're done covering your scalp, then you can go ahead and cover the rest of your hair in the conditioner. Now it's time to detangle, and we're going to be doing the same process that I've showed you guys over and over again, where you work your way from the bottom and go all the way to the top so your entire head is detangled. And because I detangled at the start before I started washing, I only lost a little bit of hair during the entire process. Once that's done, I wrap my hair up and then do my entire showering, because this way I leave the conditioner in my hair longer as opposed to conditioning, detangling, and then washing the conditioner off. This is a good way to deep condition without actually deep conditioning. Once I'm done washing my body in the shower, then I go back to my hair and I rinse off the conditioner. And what I do is I start off by further detangling my hair to make sure that as I'm rinsing off the conditioner, my hair does not get tangled, because this is going to help with the drying and all of that good stuff. So this is how I wash and condition my hair in the shower. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!